Hey there, I'm still playing around with this styrofoam and washable markers. Just wanted to show you one more quick tip. Like, I can just draw pictures on here. Like this fun little heart. Color it all in. These markers are awesome. They smell good too. Just going to go over this red one more time. Make sure it's nice and juicy. I'm going to wet that paper. I didn't do any kind of design on here this time. I just am doing it straight onto the paper. So that works too. And I think this time I think it works better when you put the paper over the styrofoam. I think you can put more even pressure on it. So let's try that and see if it works better. You can kind of see the ink coming through. Really cool. Notice how I'm holding it in place so it doesn't wiggle, because then it's going to blur your image. So you don't want that. Very cool. Have fun trying this at home. It's a really fun thing, and it has lots of different, can add lots of different details and things like that, and you can go back in and work on the image once you're finished too. Add more details. Have fun.